ready to ditch the 9 to 5 and be your own boss behind the wheel. Today, we're diving into the simple steps on how to become an Uber driver. First things first, grab your phone or hop on your computer. Head over to the official Uber website, search for Uber driver in your favorite search engine, and click on the Uber sign up link. You should see a Become a Driver or similar button. Click it. This will lead you to the application portal. At this stage, you will begin to fill out all the required info for the application. You'll need to provide some basic information, like your name, email address, phone number, and where you plan to drive. Next up, it's time to meet Uber's requirements. Most cities require you to be at least 21 years old and possess a valid driver's license. Now, time to upload your documents. This usually includes your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Make sure all documents are clear and easy to read to prevent any delays. Buckle up because a background check is coming next. Uber conducts background checks to ensure passenger safety. This typically involves checking your driving record and criminal history. Results can vary, but they may take up to a week. Once approved, you'll receive notification from Uber. You'll then access your driver dashboard, download the Uber driver app, and start accepting ride requests. Congratulations, you are a driver. Remember to familiarize yourself with the app, its features, and Uber's policies. Driving can enhance your financial freedom. So, are you ready to begin your path to financial freedom? Hit that subscribe button for more gig economy tips.